All right, boys and girls, we are on day 13 of our April daily math. Look at number 1. I see write a division equation with a quotient of 7. So we're going to have a number divided by a number equals 7. So you could pick a number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever, right? Let's choose 5. So a number divided by 5 equals 7. So we're going to go backwards. What is 7 times 5 or 5 times 7? That's 35. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. That's one answer. Pretty much any number here times 7, so 7 times that number should give you that number, and then you're going to have your division equation. Kind of a little different way to do it because we're actually kind of doing multiplication to get our division equation, aren't we? And that's a great way to do it. All right, let's check out number 2. So number 2 over here. How many eighths is the same as 1/4? Okay, so let's just we'll buzz down through there. We're going to do eighths and fourths. So let's just go across here and we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 equal pieces here. Again, just 1, 2, 3, 4 equal pieces, right? And we're going to go, there's 1, there's 1, and there's 1. I'm going to do the same thing down here. Okay? Yeah. We're going to connect those. And instead of doing one every single one like that, I'm also going to add another one here in the middle of each of those. So that way we can kind of mimic what you see on your screen or on your paper. So, how many eighths is the same as 1/4? So first we got to figure out how much 1/4 is, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 equal pieces. So our 1/4 is right there. Okay? Now, the next piece is counting our eighths. So again, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal pieces, or eighths, right? So I see here's 1/8. That doesn't equal 1/4 though. We're still short. Let's try this one. Now, is that the same? That's the same amount right there. So 2/8, 1, 2. 2/8 equals, or is equivalent to, or the same as 1/4. All right. Number 3, Mrs. Mason's class measured the lengths of several caterpillars. So I see caterpillar length in inches. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 14 total caterpillars. Okay. And number 3, it's asking us how many are longer than an inch. So a half is not longer than an inch. So here's 1. I'm going to put a tally mark. There's 1. Half inch, no. 1 3/4 inches is longer than an inch. Shorter, 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 shorter. There's one that's longer than an inch. That's 1 inch. 1 inch is not longer than an inch. It's 1 inch. But there's one. That's 4. And 1.5 is 5. And 2 inches is also bigger than an inch. So there's 6. So the answer to number 3 is 6. Okay. Number 4. Way to go, guys. Write 2 things you know about a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, 4. Quad, meaning 4. So 4 sides. I'll move this over. Beep. 4 sides. 4 angles. 4 straight sides. 4 corners, whatever you want to call it. 4 vertices. Okay, there's a lot of different things you could put on there. Okay? 4 straight sides. Well, I was supposed to on there. All right, there we go. Number 5. Make a line plot using the data from above. So I'm going to go like this. Do-do-do-do-do. Let's just make it all the way over here. Okay. So I have 0. there's a quarter, a half, 3/4, 1, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 3/4, 2. All right. Kind of limited myself in space again, but we'll make it work, okay? So, I see a half. My first one is a half. So I'm going to put an X there. And then I see 3/4. Okay, I see 1 1/4, a half, right on the line for that second one. 1 3/4, a quarter, a quarter. I'm going to go right on that line with my second one. A quarter again. I go above the line, halfway up there. 3/4, right on the line. 1 1/2. Whee! 1. Are we having fun now? 1 3/4, right on the line. 1 1/2, right on the line. And 2. There we are. So it also asks us to don't forget titles. So caterpillar length. We could put that here. Caterpillar length. Okay. And down below we could say inches. All right, there we go. That is number 5 for our caterpillars for our daily math. All right, boys and girls, we'll see you tomorrow.